first thing I notice when I walk in this space is the tall vaulted ceilings and those timber accents on there. Those are 4x8 hand-hewn beams running along that rustic reclaimed ceiling finish, the same as out in the great room. Another really great feature in here is all the natural light we get with this large 6-foot patio door and the 2 casement windows on either side of the bedroom. You're really getting daylight all day long. Another really nice feature about working with Golden Eagle is our 2x6 hand-hewn trim. This is standard in all of our exposed beam packages. It really adds a rustic yet elegant look. We've got 2x6 casing going around all the windows and doors, along with a 2x6 baseboard. Now just imagine if we did a standard base or case trim in a home like this, the scale just would not match. Now over here's the master bathroom, but before we head in there, let's take a second to appreciate this barn door. This is a rustic alder door, just like all the other doors in the house. It's a chocolate stain, which I think plays very nicely with the charcoal trim stain the client selected. We've got the soft closed barn door hardware, which is also playing off the headboard. I think that's a really nice touch. Now in the master bathroom, we have to start with this shower. So the clients came to us and saw our shower display in our showroom and fell in love with it. So we integrated it into their design. And just look at how heavy and massive these shelves are. That's a 4x10 hand-hewn shelf. That's impressive. Really matches everything else going on in this home. Now moving into the shower, I really like how we designated different spaces with the different tile selections, allowing you to see where the shower is versus the floor. But then they continued that floor tile onto the walls. Another great feature about that shower is that impressive window. That's got to be 5 feet long, just allowing all that natural light to flow in there while still having the obscured glass to give you privacy. You'll also find a massive rain head, the shower head, and a handheld wand. Now another great thing to consider when you're designing your forever home is aging in place. In this shower, we actually dropped the floor system so it's a 0 entry shower. Now in the master bathroom, we switched from the older cabinets to a rustic hickory, and we brought in a new color. That way it allows the master to just feel like it's a standalone room. We also still feature the toe kick lighting, so when you get up in the middle of the night and you have to go use the bathroom, you'll have to turn all the lights on. Now up here we have a dolomite countertop. The client selected this because it's got a beautiful matte finish. We're topping that off with the Delta wall-mounted faucets. The vessel sinks turned out amazing. Now on this side of the home, we've got 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and the main floor laundry. Let's go take a look. As we enter this space, we're continuing the same 3/4 inch hickory hardwood flooring as we've seen in the rest of the home. Directly off the hallway, we'll find this beautiful half bath. Now this will typically be the bathroom that guests will use. It's conveniently located close enough to the great room, yet still down the hallway far enough to give you privacy. I really like their vanity selection in this half bath as well. By going with an open shelf vanity in a smaller space, it allows the flooring to flow underneath it and your eye to be drawn there, assuming it's a bigger space. Just past the half bath, we've got the mudroom coming in off the garage. In this space, we're featuring rustic hickory cabinetry. I love the bench and the drop zone. Just imagine, you're coming in, you've got your shoes on, you've got your arms full of groceries, you can set stuff down, you can take your shoes off, tuck them underneath the bench, keeping the floor space wide open, grab the bags and carry on into the kitchen. We're also featuring elevated custom height base cabinets in here. This allows for us to carry the countertop across the top of the washer and dryer, giving us more space for folding clothes and storage. Another detail I like in here is the use of a pocket door. This allows us to close off the room when it's not being used, but also keeps the door tucked away so it's not swinging into the cabinet space inside. Around the corner, we'll find one of the guest bedrooms. Now you'll notice the bedroom isn't overly large, yet it feels big. That's because of the vaulted ceilings. We carry that same rustic ceiling finish as seen in the rest of the home, along with the 4x8 hand-hewn timber beams, 4x8 band board, The massive 2x6 casing and the 2x6 baseboard. That's a great detail. A continuing theme of this home is the use of natural light. You'll notice this room has 3 large windows. This home features Pella 250 series vinyl windows in the fossil color. These are casement style windows, so you get the unobstructed view straight out. As you walk into this room, you're also going to notice the use of wall sconces on this wall. It really gives it almost like a feature wall feeling as you're walking into the space. I think you're going to like what we did with the layout of this bathroom. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom, allowing access for both bedrooms into the bathroom. We're featuring rustic hickory cabinets in the shaker panel door style. We've got a nice Delta 8-inch spread faucet, making it easy for cleanup. We've got this beautiful glass door on this tub. It allows that natural light to come in from the window still, but still gives it that elegance. That's a really nice feature. Another thing I like is what they did with the tile work on the floor, with the herringbone pattern, and then it transitions up into the tile around the tub shower space. And here we are in bedroom number 3. Again, we carried that same vaulted ceiling, giving it a bigger, more luxurious feeling here. The unique thing about this bedroom is we have direct access to the deck. Let's go outside and take a look.